It is something that has wings,
Go, go.
but it cannot fly.
Sound like one of them Jamaican regular.
It's cushiony. Girls use it mostly. Well, I should hope only girls use it. It is a sanitary napkin.
A sanitary napkin. KK's channel. Is there a sanitary napkin under this box?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is KK Necessary, and today we will be doing the truth
Our
bluff challenge. And if you have not watched the rest of our challenges, because this is challenge number 4, and if you have not watched the rest of our challenges, you need to go and do so. They will be linked down in the description box. And if you have not seen this person either before, this is my boyfriend. Hi, boyfriend.
Hey, girlfriend. Yes. Hi, everyone. I am Evan.
Let the challenge begin.
Let's begin. Who's first? I'll go first. So you're going to close your eyes and I'm going to place my item, my first item, under the box. And I will tell you when to look. Ooga booga booga booga. Ready?
Okay.
So I am going to describe, I can say, what item I place under the box. And K, my lovely girlfriend, will either say, Evan, my handsome boyfriend, I believe that you're telling the truth, and it is whatever item I am describing.
That's under
the box. Or she can say, Evan, you are lying, and it is not a jumbo jet under the box. And that would be the bluff. So truth or bluff. First item. Let's go. So this item is very valuable to your body. And it is compact. I think no meal is complete without it. It's so lovely. It's almost brings someone to tears. And you will find it almost everywhere in a supermarket.
Okay.
Almost every supermarket. So, what's because the retro says things we
You don't have to say nothing more.
That's it. We can stop here. Alright, well, that's it.
This item is a?
This item is a watermelon.
That's a bluff.
That's an obvious bluff.
Is that onion?
Yes.
Can you say that? I know that onion here at all.
Alright.
So what you say watermelon?
That was a test run.
So this item is black. It's a round, circular, whatever you want to call it. You can use it and tie up your hair. This item is a scungy.
I say it's the truth.
It's not a scungy. It's an elastic.
It would remind you of clouds. When you get injured, it's something that you could draw for. It helps you to clean your wounds, or cover your wounds, both emotional and physical. It is a band-aid. An item is a band-aid.
Bluff.
You sure? You sure? Alright. It's not a band-aid.
It's a cotton.
Yes. What gave it away?
It's a cloud. Band-Aid in a cloud. This item
Mm-hmm.
can be used with your cell phone.
Mm-hmm.
It is used to charge. Well, yeah, it is used to charge
Charger phone.
your phone. This item is a charger.
It is not a charger. I believe that you are bluffing.
Okay.
It's a case. I was right. 1 point for me. This is an item that no guy can. You cannot go to work without this item. You know what I mean? You can't go to work without this.
Mm-hmm.
When a man say I go to work, you need the item.
Okay.
Yes, it is. Sometimes
Get out with it. What the?
it is vital.
Mm-hmm.
And when traveling, you must ensure that you have one with you.
Okay. Why I must ensure you have one? What is it?
Because you're gonna find out very soon. It is something that
A briefcase.
no, not a briefcase.
You ever tell me? No, you must tell me what it is. And I'm
A briefcase wouldn't fit under this, so I wouldn't say briefcase. It's actually a condom.
Truth.
Hmm?
Truth.
Haha!
So much.
It's a watch. It's a watch. ISSA, a watch.
It is something that has wings,
Go, go.
but it cannot fly.
Sound like one of them Jamaican regular.
It's cushiony. Girls use it mostly. Well, I should hope only girls use it. It is a sanitary napkin.
A sanitary napkin. KK's channel. Is there a sanitary napkin under this box? I believe her. I do believe her. You're telling the truth. It's not the truth. Actually, it's a piece of paper. You need this item to cook with.
Mm-hmm.
No Jamaican meal is complete without it.
Mm-hmm.
It's a potato.
Bluff.
Is it?
It's a ketchup.
It's ketchup. It's a packet, but ketchup, really. Representing. It's ketchup. Who cooks without ketchup?
It is black. It is of a cloth material.
Mm-hmm.
People that goes to the gym use it a lot.
Mm-hmm.
It is a glove.
Is it a glove? YouTube friends, lend me your senses. Is KK lying? If she's lying, comment down below that she is a liar. She's a liar. She lies. Is this a glove? Or is there a glove underneath this box? I do believe there is a glove underneath this box. You use it at gym. And ha! Proof.
I'm using my gym bag, that's why.
Okay. That's what I guess why I actually did it. YouTube wouldn't really know that, but she's using the bag that she normally goes to gym with. So I kind of said, yeah, it makes sense. Could be anything, but yes. Onward and upward. It's something that you can use to show. It's like a token of appreciation.
Okay.
It's usually made by melting some materials together, and And mostly females use it, but everyone can benefit from it. It's a Q-tip.
Oh, most of female use it. And Bluff.
Can I use it to do nails and other things?
Bluff.
Would I use it more than guys?
Bluff. What's that, a chapstick?
Yes. It is chapstick, lip balm, whatever you want to call it. And it's cherry.
It's in a white bottle.
Uh,
And people take it when they're ill. People take it for no reason.
for no reason.
People sometimes use it as drugs. It is a pill with, well, it's a pill bottle with pills.
Just for the record, we only use prescribed medication in this household. Both KK and myself, Evan, remove all liability of illegal drugs claims to this video. So it is a pill bottle with pills. I do not believe that this is a pill bottle with pills. So I think you're bluffing. Aha!
My headphones.
This is something that you use for maybe 1 week or 2 each month. Of course, women use it. It's not comfortable out here. It is a sanitary napkin.
Bluff. It's a Q-tip. So it is orange. It has teeth, but it cannot eat.
What am I?
I am a comb.
That's the truth. I ain't even second guessing it. It's true. Of course, it will. Yes. It's like a piece there. Let's go. It is blue. Or light blue, if you want to be specific. It keeps things together. Keeps you in style. No tailor is complete without this item. Not even Neoka or Neoka. It is thread.
Bluff.
Take a look.
It is thread.
It is actually thread. Ha.
It is silver. And it has a round top. It has a long bottom. It is a spoon.
Silver, round top, long bottom. I believe you are telling the truth.
I love you for believing me.
It's not a spoon, but it is silver.
It's a nail clip.
It's a nail clip. Alright guys. This is very interesting. If you check out the other challenges, you'll see a lot more interesting content right here on KK's channel. Actually, the other videos should be linked below. But may I just stomp out the last one. This is the last item, so may I just go hard and do. It's this thing that's under the box. It's round. It's about.
Yay tall?
No, it's about. Yo, yeta. Someone's been watching too much Cable Girls.
No. Cable Girls don't speak like that.
Too many rain episodes.
But they said that, or Outlanders.
Or Outlander. It's round, it's black. It's not really flat on the top. It has 4 or 5 holes. That's a lot. 5 holes. It is a button. I love it. Why is she laughing, guys? Help me out, please. Comment
Bluff.
below this video and tell me
Bluff.
what you think. Why doesn't she believe me? Why she don't believe me? Like, look at this.
Where you get this button?
You have no idea.
So that's it, guys, for our challenge. And for the first time, we don't know who the winner for this challenge is.
Not this time, but I'm pretty sure we're about like within 5 or 3 points of each other.
Yeah.
Where
I don't believe you won this challenge.
Yeah, I think with like maybe 95 and she did like 90.
It's not even sunny.
Well, this is the end of
This is the end of our challenge series. The challenge series of my boyfriend.
Hashtag challenge series with boyfriend.
And you guys might be seeing more of him. Might be. A little tidbit.
I'm a co-star.
Well, you guys see me in my vlogs, but you don't see me in any sit-down videos on my channel. So hopefully you'll be seeing him in more sit-down videos. Maybe not, depending on how I feel about him. Thanks for watching this challenge series, and as I stated before, this is the last one of 4. So in the description box there will be the other 3 links so that you can go and click it, and if I find out how to put them on the screen, I might put them on the screen somewhere and you guys can go watch those as well. So thanks for watching, and remember to
subscribe,
like,
comment below the video,
and share as well.
Of course. That was fun.
It was.
It's a button.